Hello student, welcome to all in this class. Now we will discuss today the basic difference between integration and differentiation. I think that all you have learned that we have started integration and differentiation. Some formula we have discussed. Okay, on the base of that formula we have also practiced some question. You can see those who are the new students, you can see there are uh, many class I have given related integration and differentiation, but in this class today we have the basic things. But what is the difference between integration and differentiation? Okay, because we have completed the integration and differentiation, then one question arises in our mind, that what is the basic difference between integration and differentiation. Okay, so today we'll discuss. Now come to the points that we have the topic. Okay, integration and differentiation. Okay, so those who are the new student, please join and comment also, and subscribe, like my this channel. Okay, now come to the point. We have the topics difference between the differentiation and this is the integration. Yes, differentiation means what? Differentiation, first you see that I have written, it is the process of finding the derivative or the differential coefficient of function with respect to the variable on which it depends. It means, suppose that we have a function y is equal to function of x. Y is equal to function of x. It means y depends on x. X is the independent. Yes, independent variable, and this is the dependent variable. This is the independent variables. Okay, and this is the y is the dependent variables. Okay, means if we have the functions and we know that whenever we differentiate, then we can find out their values. We will take some examples. Okay, and another here we have the integrations. It is the methods of adding up the parts to find the whole. Suppose that you have the elementary portions that we have discussed in the class. Okay, or you can say that this is the reverse process. Also you can write, or it is the reverse process of differentiation. Can we write yes? Okay, because here we'll also take the function, but you know that suppose that we have the like curve graphs steps, and you take the elementary portions like that, then you know that you will find out the area of this one, this second, third, fourth, like that, and suppose that n area is theirs, then you will add. But sometimes what happen, you know that, and such type of the curve portions we will unable, or we will find the difficult to find the exact value, exact additions, because here is the curve path like that. So in which we use the methods that is called the integration methods, because if you will find out this area that is the summation you will use. Okay, here you start 1 to n, so I equal to 1 to n we take, and the area, suppose that whatever we have, that we can use function of x and del x like that. Okay, so suppose that this area you will find 1 you have, then you can add, but it will be more difficult, so better you use this one's integration of, that is the function of x dx. Sometimes if there is a any givens the particular points, then we can take the limit also. Okay, limit means suppose that a to b here and function of x dx, and then we can find out their integrations. Okay, so integrations and differentiation both are reversed with each other, as we know that it is used, differentiation, it is used to find the slope, okay, slope y versus x, okay, y versus x, while, okay, it is used to find the area of y versus x. Here we use to find the area and here we use to find the slope. So these are the difference. Okay, just like we can take the examples related this differentiation and the integrations. Okay, so I am going to you can take captures here, because this is the definition of the differentiation and this is the definitions of integrations. So we know that in the differentiations we use this one to find out the what, if we have the differential coefficients with respect to others, then we can find out, and here we use to find the addition, the sum of that portion is given, okay, and we use here basically slope, okay, y versus x, and here we use the area to find these methods, that is the y versus x, like that. Examples I'm going to take related these ones, okay. In differentiation, suppose that we have any function means what, suppose that we have, okay, third points I'm taking, so y is equal to, suppose that we have x to the powers 2 and dx, this you have, then you will differentiate this one, means you will find the dy by dx, so you will find dy by dx is equal to multiply these two, so here will be 2x and power here will, what you will do, you will, okay, sorry, this will not, y is equal to x square if we have, okay, y is equal to x square, then find dy by dx. Dy by dx means dy by dx you will differentiate, so here will be this power will multiply and here will 2 minus 1, means dy by dx is equal to 2x, okay. Next, if you will take, suppose that y is equal to root x, y equal to root x, solve this question, then you will solve, means dy by dx equal to this, you will write x to the power half, yes, and you will write this one dy by dx equal to half, means you will powers add here, okay, d by dx, and you will add, that means multiply this, so here will be half x half minus 1, means half x to the power, here you will take the LCM, so here 1 minus 2 by 2, means half x to the powers, here will minus 1 by 2, this will be dy by dx, okay, dy by dx, like that you can find out. But in the integrations, suppose that you will take suppose y is equal to x cube dx, then integrate these ones, okay, so here will be integration of, so you will write I is equal to integrate this one, then here will be I equal to, suppose that x cube dx, like that, take this one, then here will be 3x and then 3 plus 1 and power will multiply, no, what you will do here, you will do here power, that means whatever is given, okay, we add the powers, okay, we add the power, means you will take I equal to here x to the power 4 by 4, like that, and if there is a definite integrations, then we don't write c, if it is indefinite then you can write c, okay. Another questions you take, suppose that we have y is equal to x cube dx, okay, then integrate this one, suppose that you have integration I is equal to, suppose that y, okay, y to the power 5 and dx, then you will write these ones, same process, y to the power, this will 5 plus 1, and then here will be 5 plus 1. So here will be y to the power 6 by 6 plus c. Okay, so these are the basic difference, and already we have discussed in the class that you can see. Okay students, thank you.